Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this cute simple bun. So if you're interested, continue watching. So jumping straight into this tutorial, my hair is already blow dried and straightened like from a while back. I just decided I wanted to do something super quick. So right now you can see me just combing my hair up into a ponytail. You want to make sure it is nice and smooth. So I'm using a thin tail comb. Once the hair is combed through, I'm just going ahead and adding my hair tie. So this ponytail is pretty high. It's at the top of my head. So yeah. Next, I just went ahead and took out my sideburns. I just brushed out some hair to use as baby hairs. This is not something you have to do. Of course, it is a preference thing. So once I've done that, I'm going in with my Eco styling gel. You can use anything that holds down your hair, whether that is freeze spray, edge control, anything that you use to slick down your hair, you can use. So I'm just spreading that gel all around my hair, and this is just to hold it into place. Once I finished, I'm going to remove that hair tie and just comb everything through. That way it is nice and smooth after applying the gel. Then I'm just going to attach back my hair tie. So when using gel, I do like to add these black wrap it up strips. It helps my hair to lay down and dry better rather than having it in the way while doing my hair. So I love adding these on top of the gel. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to braid my ponytail into one braid. So I know some of you guys might be saying, okay, you could have just left it like that, but guys, sometimes you want like more of a dramatic effect. My hair looks really small in a braided bun, so that's why you will see that I did add braiding hair to kind of make the effect more dramatic, because why not? So I just wrapped that braid around into a bun and added a hair tie just to hold it. You can use a rubber band, anything like that. So this is how my bun is looking. This is how my braided bun is looking. I did decide to peel back some of the wrapped up strip because I don't want it to get stuck with my hair. Then I'm adding in some braiding hair. So you want to attach the braiding hair to your hair. You want to just make a loop, attach it to the bun, and then I just went ahead and wrapped that elastic around my hair one more time to make it tighter. So the hair is separated in two. What I did was I braided each side down up until the end, So we're going to have 2 braids. And I did make the braids really loose because I am going to be doing a butterfly effect, which is pulling the ends of the braids to make it more fluffy looking. So once I finished braiding, as you can see, I'm just pulling the ends of these braids. And I've done a lot of butterfly type of braid styles on my channel. So if you're interested, I can link some videos in my description box for you guys to see. But this one I'm just going to be putting in a bun. So I'm just pulling the end of the braid out to make it look more fluffy. And you just want to do it for both braids. If you do want your bun to look thicker, you can add more hair. You can feed in braids if you want, or you can just attach more hair onto the ponytail to make it a lot easier for you. But because I already had like so much of a bun, I didn't add too much hair. This wasn't a full bundle of hair that I added of braiding hair. So now I just threw those 2 braids to the back and brought them around. You just want to basically twirl it into a bun. You can throw it back however you like. You can start by twirling it from the front, from the back. It's all up to you. But you just twirl it around, as simple as that. You can also use bobby pins to hold it in place. I wasn't going anywhere where I thought that it wasn't going to stay if I didn't add the bobby pins, so I didn't. But if I was doing a client, I would add bobby pins to this bun. So you can also stretch it out some more if you'd like, or you can leave it the way you stretched it out already, but you can play with it. Once I took off the wrap it up strips, seeing how the ponytail was coming out, obviously I was feeling myself. I then went in with my small babeless flat iron and just curled the hairs that I left out. Then I went in with my Easy Edges edge control and I just placed it on the very top of the hair because I didn't need it all over, so I placed it everywhere on the very top. Used my comb and just made my little swoops. But curling it with the flat iron just makes it easier to style, I find. So this is not necessary, as I said before. But once I finished that, my hair is basically done. I went in with my bow silk, sprayed that all over, yeah, for the finishing touches. But yeah, this is how the style is looking, guys. Let me know what you think about it. I thought it was super quick, super simple. If you guys don't know how to like cane roll and stuff, this is a super easy hairstyle for you. If you don't know how to feed in braids, you know, and you could wear this anywhere. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Thank you so much for staying tuned and watching. I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know if this is a style that you can see yourself trying. And yeah, just showing you guys all around, and that is it. Thanks so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.